Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I wanna say thanks for all the judges and the committee for the opportunity. Also, I send my deepest condolence for all of our teachers who passed away because of this recent COVID-19. And I send my biggest support for all of senior and teacher who still fighting in every hospital in Indonesia. Here, let me introduce myself. My name is Farida Aisyah. I'm second year medical student, Faculty of Medicine, University of 11 Maret, Surakarta. And here I'll be present my literature review with title Early Diagnosis of Osteosarcoma using Myrna 221 as a prognostic biomarker. I will present my paper from the introduction. Here is the introduction. I will explain why I choose this as my title. As we know, osteosarcoma is the most frequent primary malignant bone tumor in pediatric with high morbidity. Also, more than half of the cases is having a recurrent. Therefore, there is a need for biomarkers that are useful as a determinant of osteosarcoma and prognosis. Myrna 221 can be one of the prognostic biomarker solution for osteosarcoma, so we can prevent the recurrent event and making patient quality of life improved. Because from the data, it is known that Myrna concentration are higher in patients with osteosarcoma rather than in normal people, and the concentration are very contrast after and before surgery on the patient with osteosarcoma. And here I'll be show the biopsy of osteosarcoma with a characteristic that is a Codman triangle. And from the introduction, I conclude the aim of this literature review is to know the correlation between osteosarcoma and Myrna 221 as a prognostic biomarker. For the material and method is using 69 osteosarcoma specimen. The expression of Myrna 221 show using quantitative reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction, and here RNA extracted were amplified and detected using Taqman microRNA assay specific for HSA Myrna 221. And for the statistical analysis is using SPSS assessed by Spearman rank test. For the survival curve is plot using Kaplan-Meier method, and for the difference of the survival curve were tested by long run test. And here I'll be show you the result of this literature review. As for the result, from the 69 of osteosarcoma specimen show that Myrna 221 expression increase directly proportional with increase of cancer stage and higher expression found in the patient with stage 2B and 3. And here, for the clinical pathology, is showing that stage 4, 2A and 2B or stage 3, we having a p-value is significant, and for the metastasis is found to be significant too with p-value is less than 0.05. And here is the result of relative Myrna 221 expression, which is in the patient of osteosarcoma is show higher expression rather than in normal people. And here is the survival rate. This is show that survival rate of patient with low RNA, low Myrna 221 expression is higher rather than in high expression of Myrna. From those, I concludes that Myrna 221 having high ability as a prognostic biomarker for osteosarcoma and may predict patient clinical outcome. Thank you.